Tosi, tosi, smičke v horosi. All this time I was just lying to you. Alright, this is gonna be interesting. I decided to film video with little one. Hi. Hi everybody, welcome back to Lago Mom. Today we'll talk about why our daughter has only 10 toys. Here you go. But yeah, I decided to explain my point of view about toys. I also want to show that it is possible that you have 8 or 9 months old and your house isn't covered in a bunch of plastic toys. It is possible for baby to play only with a couple toys. I believe that so many people can benefit from this video. And let's get started. So first toy we're gonna talk about is this cube that we purchased for her. She's a little bit too young for it, but she already super interested. She likes to pull things off of it. And I already talked about this toy once on my channel, I think in a 6-month baby update, maybe 7-month baby update. She loved it. We had to put these little countertops because she kept bumping her head in it. But what I love about this toy that she can play with it in years to come. It's wooden, it's pleasant to my eye as a mom because I do have to clean it up and stuff. But yeah, so this is the first one, my personal favorite one. But she likes it too, correct? Here you go, baby. Alright, second toy, it's this little guy. And she already learned that she can punch it and it will start spinning and playing music, and she likes to dance, right? Like to listen to this and dance. So this is second toy that she has and she really loves it. Third one, it's kind of like a set of little toys that she really likes to play because she can hold every single piece in her hand. I also love this toy for being versatile, so she can play with it right now, but then once she grows older, she can play a little bit more complicated games because it's essentially like Jenga, and she can try to stack it on top of each other until it falls. So yeah, so she can play with it when she's older and she'll be still entertained. I put in a little basket so it's nice and organized, right, Caroline? Soon you're gonna learn how to put them in a basket. Yeah. Next toy I want to talk about is this bath toy. So she plays it only in a bathtub. It's just swimming on top of the water and she really loves to play with it. She has this little piece that came with it. It had 3 of them, but we lost 2. Yeah. Sometimes she doesn't let go of this little flower for 2 days. She will sleep with it. She will wake up and find it and hold it all the time. She loves it. She loves something small that she can just take in her hand and carry around, right? Little love. Yes, you love it. Okay. Next one is this little elephant. I think it calls Ellie the elephant. And she loves that toy. No matter how upset she is, when I turn it on, she starts dancing, she starts smiling. Plays peekaboo with her.
Where did you go? I found you. Where are you?
Okay, and it has another mode where it's singing to her. She loves it, as you can see. So that was 5th one, okay? Now we have this little cute set of toy. I consider it to be as a one toy. What I love about this toy that it's a handmade, it's made by my close friend, and look how great of a job she's done on these toys. I washed it a couple times, so this hair looks a little weird. I also love having a toys that I can just throw in a washing machine and just wash it, because she puts everything in her mouth. She's not as entertained by this one as much as this little guy, so this one kind of chilling around usually. Yes, you love it? Yeah, I hid it from you. You haven't seen it for a while. Now you love it, right? Okay. Next one, this little teether, but she loved this one. She likes to chew on it. And this is the only teether that I left in the house, because we had the first couple months, I think everybody gave us one teether, so we had probably like 12 of them. And this is the only one that survived. Everything else got donated. Ow! Like, are you tired? Did you get tired? Yes, here you go. This one I'll wash and then I'll give it to you, okay? Alright, number 8. It's this fluffy pig. It's adorable. She loves playing with it. She likes to lay on it like this because it's so soft. So it's one of her favorites, right? Do you like your piggy? I'll put it over here, okay? Usually I don't really like to have a lot of fluffy and soft toys because they retain a lot of dust. But this one survived donation because she really loves this one. Big boy. So number 9, it's this guinea pig. I think it calls guinea pig. This toy is special for me personally because it's one of Nicholas's toys from his childhood, and she actually loves it a lot as well. So this is a second, or I guess third soft toy, because this was the second, right? This third soft toy that we have, and this is the last one because she really truly loves it. I see that she enjoys it, so here you go. A piggy? Yes. Alright, and last one, it's 3 toys, but I consider it as a one toy. This is also actually Nicholas's toys that he told me that he really loved it. Look, she is obsessed with them. She likes to chew on them. I wash them probably 3 to 5 times a day because they just get all those little hairs and dust on them super quickly. Hi. Uh-oh, what happened? But their texture is a little like funky, so I think that's why she loves it. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, a little turtle. Here you go. You love it. But she enjoys them so much that, of course, I left it for her. Yes. Tell me about it. Here you go. Let's put them in a basket. 3 seconds. Done. Right, Caroline? You quickly learn that kids don't really like toys that much. They like things like coasters. Like anything you can think of, but besides toys. They're not really interested in toys that much. Oh, that's such a good hug. Love it. Thank you. I love it. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot that we actually have 11 toys. All this time I was just lying to you. Oh my god. I hid it from you and now I'm returning it back to you. This is a custom toy that I ordered for her and it's so cute. I clean up that probably 5 to 20 times a day because she really loves to pull everything off of this, and then I cleaned it up and then she pulls that off again, and It's never ending toy. Yes! Yes! So we actually have 11 toys, but usually she plays the most with this one, this one, this one, and these little guys. Yeah, and she just holds this around, and she loves her coasters. It's the best. So yeah, that's for sure the last one. And if you have a baby, I highly recommend for you to have limited amount of toys. It will be so much easier on your mama's head, you know, that it has to do so many little things around the house. And your baby will be happy with limited amount of toys. Just trust me. I think most of us mamas have the same problem. We have all of those toys. We can't even find our floor anymore because it's covered with toys. And I had that too. She was probably like 5 or 6 months old, and everybody in the world gave us 1 or 2 toys. And she played with each of them probably like 5 to 6 seconds, and she was just like leaving them around the house. And I did get overwhelmed. At one point I thought like, enough. She doesn't play with those toys. She's not entertained by them. She likes different things. She likes to mess with the flowers, with our cat, with coasters, and with books, anything you can think of, but just not toys. So I donated everything else we've had, and it was quite a lot. It was 2 huge bags of toys, and she's not even a year old yet. Since I saw that she doesn't play with them anymore, I decided to donate them and give them to kiddos that don't have any toys. Hopefully they will appreciate it way more and will have a lot of fun playing with them. So if you're an expected parent or you're a brand new mom, my very great advice that I can give you is from very beginning set no toys policy and just pick and choose your toys by yourself, the things that you think your baby will benefit most. And I'm sure it's not gonna be a lot of them. It will be way easier on you because you don't have to clean up all of that all the time and see a mess around the house. Alright, I think that's it for today. Caroline, you did great. Yes, you played with your favorite toy, which is fireplace. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!